Good morning. In this class, we will learn about consolidation of soil. Very important topic of soil mechanics or geotechnical engineering. What is consolidation? When a soil mass is subjected to a compressive force, there is a decrease in volume of soil, decrease in volume of soil. The reduction in volume of saturated soil mass due to expulsion of water from the voids under the action of steady static pressure is called consolidation. Remember, the process opposite to consolidation is called swelling, which involves an increase in the water content due to an increase in the volume of the voids. मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर हम सॉइल को, ये हमारा सॉइल मास है, अगर हम इस पे एक स्टेडी स्टैटिक प्रेशर लगाते हैं तो इट विल कंप्रेस, और जो वॉल्यूम में कमी आएगी, जो रिडक्शन होगा, यही चीज़ हमारा क्या कहलाता है? कंसोलिडेशन कहलाता है. बट स्वेलिंग जो है इसका अपोजिट है. स्वेलिंग मीन्स इंक्रीज इन द वॉल्यूम. This consolidation may be due to external static load, may be due to self weight of the structure, or maybe the self weight of the soil recently placed, and this consolidation may be due to lowering of the groundwater table. And this consolidation may be due to desiccation also. What is desiccation? The process in which wet soil dry and soil moisture content decreases as the moisture evaporates into the surrounding environment, leading ultimately to cracking of the ground surface. सिंपल ये कहें कि सॉइल के सूखने की वजह से, ग्राउंड वाटर टेबल के लोअर होने की वजह से, अगर कोई रिसेंटली कोई फील्ड है, मतलब कि सॉइल है, उसका सेल्फ वेट की वजह से भी कंसोलिडेशन हो सकता है, एंड एक्सटर्नल स्टैटिक लोड की वजह से कंसोलिडेशन हो सकता है. It means the total vertical deformation, of soil layer under stress is directly proportional to the compressibility of the soil. Compressibility of the soil. अभी हमने कई लेक्चर्स में पढ़ा परमिएबिलिटी. Permeability is also a soil property which allows water to pass through it. Compressibility is another property of the soil. So compressibility soil की एक property है, and compressibility of soil will determine how much compression shall take place in that soil upon loading. ये वो प्रॉपर्टी है जो अलाउ करते हैं कि कितना अगर लोड डालें तो कितना हमारा सॉइल कंप्रेस होगा. Compressibility is an engineering property of the soil like permeability. So the total vertical deformation is mainly dependent on, or you can say directly proportional on, compressibility of the soil. If the soil is more compressible, the deformation will be more. If the soil is less compressible, the deformation will be less. And the total vertical deformation is directly proportional to the magnitude of stress. Increased. And another factor is the volume of the soil, or in other words we can say that the thickness of the layer. So these are the factors upon which the total deformation, total vertical deformation depends. And this total settlement, the total settlement after application of the load, if we take it as ST, it will be the summation of SI, that is immediate settlement, SC primary consolidation, and SS, that is secondary consolidation. So total settlement of the soil is the sum of all these three deformations. Now we will learn what is the meaning of immediate settlement and primary consolidation and secondary consolidation. Immediate settlement, let us discuss immediate settlement. This is also called distortion settlement. It occurs, this immediate settlement occurs almost immediately. Almost immediately after the application of the load. जैसे ही हमने लोड, सपोज कोई सॉइल है, जैसे हमने लोड उस पर रखा, इमीडिएट सेटलमेंट विल बी इंस्टेंटेनियस, इमीडिएट, ऑलमोस्ट जैसे हमने प्लेस किया उसके बाद जो सेटलमेंट होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड इमीडिएट सेटलमेंट. In this case, in case of immediate settlement, there will be no volume change of the soil. The immediate settlement is determined by using the elastic theory. We will learn this theory when we will study the design of shallow foundation. Shallow foundation के चैप्टर में हम लोग ये इलास्टिक थ्योरी की वजह से इमीडिएट सेटलमेंट कितना होगा वो हम लोग लर्न करेंगे. Second thing is primary consolidation. It is the reduction in volume due to expulsion of water from the void. It is reduction due to expulsion of water. सी, जब हम लोड अप्लाई करेंगे, since the soil is saturated, what will happen? Due to permeability of the soil, water will be expelled out from the voids. Because of this, there will be a consolidation. That consolidation is called primary consolidation. It depends on the number one, permeability of the soil. If the permeability of the soil is more, the rate of expulsion of water will be more, so the consolidation will be more. And it is also time dependent. Usually primary consolidation and secondary consolidation occurs in clay type soil. Immediate settlement will be in cohesionless soil like sand, but primary and secondary consolidation will be in clay type soil. Since the permeability of the clay is very less, so the rate of expulsion of water from the soil will be slow. That is why it will take time to expel the water from the soil. So it is, primary consolidation is a time dependent phenomena. Third one is secondary consolidation. When, suppose, take the same sample, if you have applied a load water is expelled from the voids, when all the waters is squeezed out of the voids and primary consolidation already completed, further reduction in volume of soil is called secondary consolidation. It may be it may be due to the plastic deformation of the soil particle, or maybe some other reason also. Means soil will get rearranged. पूरा water expelled हो गया. अब क्या हुआ? When the load is there, the soil particle will rearrange, and because of this plastic deformation, rearrangement of the particle, there will be further consolidation, that is called secondary consolidation. And this secondary consolidation may be because of this plastic deformation. However, it is very small and time dependent also. So for commonly we neglect this secondary consolidation. For all calculations, or sometimes it is called calculated also, since it is very small, that is why we may neglect. As compared to immediate settlement and primary consolidation, this value is neglected. Now, how this consolidation process occurs? Let us understand the consolidation process. See, as we all know, as a geotechnical engineer or soil engineer, we have learned that soil is made up of voids and the solid part. Once the load is applied, here in this voids, pore water will be there, and this pore water is incompressible. And in this solid part, skeletal material will be there, and this is also incompressible. So once the load is applied, suppose if we are taking, this is the initial stage before application of the load. Once the load is applied, these voids get reduced, solid part will remain as it is, and some water is expelled from it, and there will be a deformation in the soil, and that deformation is vertical, and that is why this is called consolidation. there is a similar term, compaction. So let us understand what is the meaning of compaction, or we can say what is the difference between compaction and consolidation. सुनने में एक जैसा लग रहा है compaction और consolidation, but they are different phenomena. So let us discuss what is the difference between compaction and consolidation. Compaction is almost an instantaneous phenomena. Remember, but consolidation is time dependent phenomena. Another difference is, in this case, in case of compaction, soil is always unsaturated, but in case of consolidation, the soil is completely saturated. Compaction is densification is due to a reduction in the volume of air voids at a given water content. But in consolidation, volume reduction is due to expulsion of water. From the voids. Compaction is determined, or compaction or specified compaction technique are used in this process. In compaction process, specified techniques are used. Techniques are used like Proctor compaction, Proctor's compaction, IS light compaction, modified Proctor, IS heavy compaction. All these methods are used for compaction. But consolidation occurs on account of load placed on the soil. So these are the basic difference of the between the compaction and consolidation. सुनने में एक जैसा लगता है compaction and but these are the basic difference. So I have started a series of classes on geotechnical engineering. So from today onwards, I will make a place. हम जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड सारे इन्फॉर्मेशंस आज के बाद से स्टेप वाइज 20-25 मिनट की क्लासेस होगी. इसमें आपको धीरे धीरे करके अभी हमने कंसोलिडेशन चैप्टर शुरू किया है, बाद में फिर और भी चैप्टर्स अब, लेकिन सिलसिलेवार ढंग से 20 से 25 मिनट की क्लासेस होगी. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि वीडियो को मिस नहीं कीजिएगा, रेगुलरली देखिए, लोगों को शेयर कीजिए. खासकर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा. जो लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए रिवीजन हो जाएगा, और बाद में जब ये चैप्टर जब ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो उसके बाद हम हर चैप्टर में जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में स्पेशली गेट में पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशंस में या जो डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम, तो उसके क्वेश्चंस को भी हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।